The California-based meat substitute company Beyond Meat, which has investors such as Bill Gates and Leonardo DiCaprio amongst its list, saw shares drop 6.5% in extended trade last night despite better than expected earnings. It reported 6 cents against forecasts of half that. It also raised its revenue guidance between $265 and $275 million, up from $240 million. Store discount spending rose, though, more than 3 times during the third quarter as the company is facing increased competition from rivals like Impossible Foods. Shares have risen over 600% since the IPO at $25 back on the 1st of May. At its high, the stock booked a gain of 645% from that IPO price. It also bumped the company's market capitalization up to around $11.2 billion, putting it above the likes of Macy's, Whirlpool, Xerox, Harley-Davidson and TripAdvisor. Today will mark a key test for Beyond Meat's meteoric rise as the 180-day lock-up period expires on its stock and more shares will hit the market. In the most recent past, we've seen this drop here down below this level here we saw back on the 6th of June. But what it's done is closed that gap that we saw there back on the earlier trade. You can see this red dotted line is the IPO price. Shares will open today at 105.37, but do expect a 6% drop, which will take us down to this line of support here, where we saw shares hit that low point at $97 back on the 24th of October. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGTV and subscribe to our YouTube channel.